Good morning. Welcome to
Minute Math number 4.
Minute Math number 4. Okay, so this is a problem. These are problems that the Mathematical Association of America is putting out on their website that are old. These are high school problems, so these aren't for little kids, but I think they're still pretty fun. So you ready?
Yep.
At a party, each man danced with exactly 3 women, and each woman danced with exactly 2 men. If there were 12 men at the party, how many women were there? So that's pretty neat. So what do we know? What do we know from reading the problem?
We know that at a party, each man danced with exactly 12 women.
No, each man danced with exactly how many women?
3 women.
3 women, yeah.
And each woman danced with exactly 2 men.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make pairs. So here's a man. How many women did he dance with?
He danced with 3.
3 women. Okay, so okay. Now, how many men were there?
There were 2. Each woman danced with exactly 2 men.
Right, each woman danced with exactly 2 men. So how many women were there? Or men, I mean, how many men were there?
12.
12, okay. So if each man danced with 3 women and there were 12 men, that means there were 12 times 3 pairs. Okay, because each man has how many pairs?
1 pair.
Well, how many pairs are here? There's 1 pair, there's 2 pair, and there's 3 pairs. So each man has
3 pairs.
dances with 3 women. So what? Do you know what 12 times 3 is?
12 times 3. 12 plus 12 is 24.
Right.
And 24 plus 12 is 36.
36, right. So there are 36. If I drew all the men and each one had 3 pairs, we'd have 36 pairs. Okay? All right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, each woman dances with how many men? What does the problem say?
2.
2. Okay, so when I make the woman, how many pairs does she have?
2.
Okay, why don't you draw them for me? Okay, each woman has 2 pairs. Okay, so how many women since they each have 2 pairs, how many women do we need to make 36 pairs if each one has 2? What do we have to figure out?
Figure out
36 divided by
2.
2. Okay, that's not too hard, right?
Yeah.
What times 2 equals 36? Do you know? Is it 20 maybe? What is 20 times 2?
40.
40. So that's too big. So it's got to be a little bit less than 20.
Half of 36 is...
Well, you think maybe it's 15? What's 15 times 2?
15 times 2 is 30.
Oh, so 30's too low, but sorry, 15's too low, 20's too big.
So it has to be in between 15 and 20.
Yeah, so what do you want to guess?
Maybe like 18.
18. Okay, let's figure out what 18 times 2 is.
18. Well,
18 plus 18.
10 plus 10 is 20 and 8 plus 8 is 16, so that's 36.
Ah, awesome. So 18. So if each woman has 2 pairs, and we got to add up to 36, we need 18 women. Yeah, 18 women. So there are 12 men
and 18 women.
and 18 women.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yep.
So what we did is we counted the pairs with the men. 12 times 3 was 36. And each woman had 2 pairs, so we had to figure out the 36 divided by 2. And we figured out that 36 divided by 2 was?
18.
18. Okay, good job. Good job on Minute Math number
4.
Wow, that was a good job, sweetie.